Right, what's up guys? Sorry this is gonna be my iPhone because my other camera's dead, but I'm trying to finish my R53 and I figured I'd do a video. This is a catch can. Right? I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm gonna set this up. Now, it's your generic DJ catch can. Bam, see. The hose I'm running is yeah, I don't know if it says what size it is, but just try to get something that fits on. Hold on, it's right here. So as long as this fits this, as long as it fits this, you should be fine. Probably gonna have to put some little oil or something, but it should be fine. Obviously, I'm gonna put some thread on this, or some wrap thingamajiggy. And where I'm gonna mount it, what I wanted to show you guys is through here. I did get one of those little diagonal cut thingamajiggies. I don't know where it's at. I'd show you guys. I already did this, but I bought that. I was like 10-15 bucks at Home Depot maybe. Then I bought this at Harbor Freight, which this I'm gonna use as a grommet. Sorry, but this thing's all over the place. To put it through here, so I can put this through here. Just for a little more clean install, I guess. So let me put these on and I'll come back and show you guys. So just for FYI, I am using the one diameter 1 inch, over diameter, whatever, this one, the last one. So FYI, that's one in there. So I'm gonna get the other one in there, I'll come back. All right, so here comes the line. You could put clamps if you want to, but they're pretty freaking tight, so I don't think you need them. I did use good old zip ties to mount them here, but that's where my catch can is now, so yep. I gotta look for the plier to cut those things off, but like I said, it should be in and out. This is where it sucks it into the supercharger, so yeah, this should be probably gonna get an AN clamp here that I can get. Yeah, I can't straighten it out this because the DSC is here, so, but this works. It was a cheap $20-something catch can for your mini, so you stop throwing all oil vapors through your freaking supercharger. But yeah, it's a little quick shit, so it's probably the shortest video I've put on. Sorry, I had to do this in a rush and in the dark because I'm trying to get this car back running, so I gotta put the supercharger in. In order to do this thing here and cut it with a blade, I need to take the supercharger off. I mean the intercooler, my bad. So I figured I'd do this real quick before, you know, I put the intercooler back on, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Yep.